This is the Licensure Management and Application Online System tutorials for the new automated system. To convert a CTE and to convert a lateral entry license. Reinstating or converting an expired CTE restricted provisional or lateral entry license to a current provisional or lateral entry license. This request also applies if changing the area of a current CTE restricted provisional or lateral entry license. North Carolina State Board of Education policy currently state individuals who do not fulfill the requirements of their lateral entry license within the 3 years they are initially given may be issued another lateral entry license provided they have passed the required North Carolina State Board of Education approved licensure exams in which the license will be issued, and at least 6 years have elapsed since the prior lateral entry license was issued. Individuals must meet State Board of Education policy to qualify for this conversion. Directions on how to apply for this type of application can be found in your user manual on pages 19 through 24. Questions regarding this policy or technical difficulties should be addressed to the licensure section at 919-807-3310. To convert a CTE or lateral entry license, from the main menu, select the General Applications tab, the application type. We're going to convert to CTE. Then enter the teacher's information to search for the individual. This can be searched by name, license status, license number, or social security number. Select the teacher's name on the left. This will provide you with the educator's details to make sure you have chosen the correct teacher. Select the back button at the bottom right of the page to take you back to the first screen. Do not press the back button on the top left corner. This will give you an error message. Once you have identified the correct teacher, check the Select button on the right, then the Select button on the bottom right. This will bring you to a screen asking if you want to create a transaction. Select Yes to proceed. Read through the introduction page. Valuable information is located here regarding both the LEA and individual's responsibilities for this license. You can move through this application by pressing the Next button to continue or selecting the corresponding tabs on the left. The tabs on the left are exactly the same for every application type as they apply. You cannot make changes to the Name and Personal Data tab. If the individual will need to submit a new request to make any changes to this information. Items on the application with a red asterisk are required fields. You cannot submit the application without completing these fields. Contact information can be updated if corrections are needed to be made. Make sure the email address is correct, since this is the main way of communication between the teacher and this system. One wonderful feature for this system is if you input the zip code and press Look Up, it will default the city, state, county, and country of that address. Select the license area and what action you're wanting to take. You can convert that which will make it current again, or you can replace it with a new license area. Select the new license area. And press Save. If you are applying for multiple license areas, you can keep entering the license area and the action you want to take on it. For CTE restricted license issued below the bachelor's level, you can select high school diploma or community college as it applies for the individual. Press Save and you can put as many education degrees as apply. Press the license area and the start date. If you are applying for a license on behalf of the teacher before they begin in the classroom, you can put a future date. Documents required to convert is the required form or required document for this application type. For CTE restricted, it may be additional non-teaching work experience or certifications. Once you select the document, press Attach, and you can add as many documents as apply. This final tab provides you a quick glance at the information entered. You can change any of the information by selecting the Edit button or select the tab on the left. Once you have verified the information is correct, press the Submit button. Once you press the Submit button, you cannot go back and make changes. This should be the final step in the application process. If you do not press the Submit button, the application and attachments will remain on file for 30 days. You must complete the application within 30 days or you will need to upload the documents again. You can view this application as a PDF from the summary report. You can save this for your files. The teacher will need to log into the system, answer the statement of applicant, and pay the processing fee. Fees can only be paid by the teacher with a MasterCard or Visa. Debit cards with the MasterCard or Visa logo are acceptable.